Welcome back to another episode, guys. Thank you so much, all of your new subscribers, and a huge shout out to you guys that have been sticking around for as long as you have. It really warms my heart, the fact that I'm creating this content and that there are people out there such as yourselves that find, I don't know, like me entertaining in some way. All right, so just to break down on what the boat is, it's a 1994 Bayliner Capri 16-footer. So we are installing a lot of stuff in the boat, trying to bring it up to par. Refurbish the boat is basically what we're doing. Ended up putting a dual battery system in it. What else? Put a wicked kick-ass fish finder, also navigation, GPS. Today, just to continue with lights, I am actually working the LED light strips. Now, I am not sure whether this video is going to be put out before I finish the LED light strips or after, maybe before. Okay, with that said, there's going to be lots of lights in this boat. All right, so continue talking about lights. Okay, let's see what we are talking about with today. Just as the description has said, we are upgrading the navigation lights on this boat. Reason why? Well, here, let me show you. I have a camera in my hand. All right, so here is the navigation lights that's already on the boat. It is literally seriously faded, weathered. The black plastic itself, as you can see, is discolored. The lens itself is all foggy. And then the chrome on top, lots of scratches. Sticking it to a budget boat build, went onto Amazon. I've been actually following or just been looking around for a while now, just like for a good quality, good price for navigation lights. And I think I may have found it. Well, definitely for the price. Quality wise, I don't know. I think it's pretty good. Anyways, let me show you. All right, like I said, this is from Amazon. And here it is. You can see the LED lights inside. It's very clear. It's actually pretty bright. Sort of a short lead here, but that's all right. So we got stainless steel screws, instructions on how to wire it. Red is for positive. And then negative is, whoa. That's seriously bright. Holy mac. Holy mac, that is so much brighter than the other one. All right, so it works. Next thing to do is let's install it. All right, so there's no nut underneath there. I'm just gonna go ahead. Take this right out. There's two. Oh, not like how I thought it would be. There you go. Anyways, I'm gonna snip it right there. I'm gonna extend it. I think it'll be good. All right, sorry. Got really tight in here. Didn't have enough room for me in the camera. But as you can see, that right there is the new connection that I did for the LED lights. This is the existing wiring that's in the boat. Yep, let's turn it off. And now time to check to see if it works. So let's go turn on the boat and turn on the switch. All right, here we go. Fingers crossed. It's working. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. You can see it from here. Holy man. All right, it works. It looks so good. It looks so good. It's really bright. Really happy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna clean it up, and it's from the finger marks and everything. Guys, I am really sorry if you can't hear me. Hopefully the audio is coming through okay. It started to rain here. I'm here in the tent, and You know, it's like camping and it's raining. You get that nice rain noise on the tent. But like I said, it's a really easy install. It's a great way to freshen up your boat and also give it a little bit more of a modern appeal with the LED lights. Best part is because it's LED lights, it's low wattage, low voltage, low wattage actually, and it's not going to drain your battery as quickly as if it was like the regular condensed light bulbs for the regular light bulbs. But anyways, with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up. Why don't you think about subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that we release a video. Until then, stay safe. Who knows, maybe we will see you out there.